Hello friend, in this video we will learn about pipe classification. Before we start, we need to understand some basics of pipe. Number 1 is OD. OD is outside diameter. Number 2 is ID. ID is inside diameter. Number 3 is NPS. NPS is nominal pipe size, or you can say NB is called nominal pore. Pipe are classified as NPS and the sizes are as follows. Some sizes are non-standard like 1 by 4, 2.5, 3.5 and 5 inch. And the most important, 14 inch and above, NPS is same as OD. Wall thickness or pipe thickness. Thickness are expressed by schedule. In short, we can say SCH. See the difference. When the schedule increases, wall thickness is also increases. What we can see here that the schedule number increases the wall size and that the wall thickness change based on the nominal pipe size. The standard schedule numbers are as follows. Some are 5S, 10S. S is stand for stainless steel. The iron pipe size, which is called IPS, are standard wall, extra strong wall and double extra strong wall. Pressure temperature rating. The piping rating must be standardized by the temperature pressure rating of the weakest pressure containing item in the piping. The weakest item in a piping system may be a fitting made of weaker material or rated lower due to design and other consideration. Ratings are as follows. Pipes are classified by two types. One is seamless and other one is welded. Seamless pipe is fabricated without the welded seam is called seamless pipe. There are two types of welded pipes, SAW and ERW and EFW. SAW is submerged arc welding process, ERW is electric resistant welded, EFW is electric fusion welded. There are two types of SAW, straight SAW, helical spiral SAW, which is based on welding profile. And here there are two types of straights of single seam pipe which is welded only one side of the pipe is single seam. Double seam pipe which is welded from the both sides parallelly, it's double seam pipe. A pipe made of long strip of steel plate fitted together to form helical or spiral seam which are welded like in the picture.